Hello everyone, every Rohanet fans. This is day 7 of our CHI chicks, the pullets. So now, as they are growing, you can see they've all started bringing tails. Their tails are elongating and they are very agile, very strong, very smart, very fast. They are intelligent as well. These are intelligent pullet breeds. See? Now we are supplying them their water, their drinks. They are mixed with some vitamins, and we also add some vitamin C for them. There is also addition of glucose. See, they are rushing to drink water. They are tasty and they are rushing. So like we've told you before, over here we have about 550 pullets of CHI, also known as ISA brown. So let me go closer to them. You can see they are running, they are very fast, very agile, very inquisitive as well. They like to know what is going on around them. They started climbing. We just raised these stones, these blocks, to 3rd layer because they are climbing them. Actually, we left these blocks here. At night, we normally place heat on them. That is where we put the heat generating pot to. We place it on that one as well, so that at night it can give them warmth. So as you can see, we thank God all the birds are strong, they are alive, no sickness, they are doing fine, as you can see. So this is our first stage to see how this kind of breeds move, how they feed, their activeness. We are trying to see. All these are all layers to lay eggs. We don't have broiler yet, but during the year we'll be getting a broiler. During the year we'll be getting a broiler to support them. But for now, the first stage is to get the layer pullets to see. We are also monitoring how fast they can sick and trying to reduce diseases from them as much as possible. So we don't allow much person to come. As you can see, this is the only person that used to enter here. We only allow him alone, because these birds can get infected when multiple people would be allowed to enter. Imagine go there, go one in center, be center. Because so that Koto first be so So these are the things, the birds, the poultry birds. Look at them, they are very smart, very agile. Let me try to pick one. But one thing about them, they are very, very sensitive, very intelligent. So, okay, this one is curious. Hello, Betty. I've gotten Betty. Okay, how are you? Wait, don't run. Okay, hold on. Okay, try to look at the camera. Okay, look at the camera. Do you see the camera? Okay, you want to go? Oh, it flew away. Okay, let me see Priscilla. Priscilla, where are you? Priscilla? Priscilla has come. Oh, this one is trying to save her sister. What is this? Okay, this is Jane. Jane, stop going. Jane, come here, Jane. Jane, are you afraid? Okay, as you can see, they are very inquisitive.